Hi guys, welcome to Soft Asia Tech. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can add section title in your blog using WPBakery page builder. To add section title like this, first you need to log in to the dashboard. Now once you log in to your site, go to plugins and click on add new. Now in the search bar, search IT Mega add-on for WPBakery. Install this plugin and then activate it. After activation, go back to dashboard. Now before proceeding further, please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Now go to post and click on add new post. Add post title. Publish the post. After publishing, click on WPBakery page builder. Now click on backend editor. Then click on add element button. You can see IT Mega add-on section. Click on it. Now select section title widget. Here you have style, different styles. Add section title. You can also add subtitle, change alignment, go to typography. Here you can change font family. Just save changes and review the changes. Now you can see the text, section text and subtitle. Go back to editor. Now here you can, under this section, you can use any other widget of WordPress or Elementor elements. Now under this you can use images, galleries, any widget from WPBakery. Now edit this section title. Go to typography, change font size to font family to Logia. Now go to general and change style to style 2. Save changes. Now you can see style was changed and also the font. Now go back to editor, edit the section title. From typography, you can also change text color. I'll add yellow color, font size to 50 and save changes. Now review the changes. You can see the yellow color text. This is not looking better. We will change it with another color. Now it looks much better. Now go back to editor, delete this one, edit this section and change style to style 7. So save changes and review the changes. Now this style looks much better than others. That's how you can add section title in your WordPress blog using WPBakery page builder. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.